Hello and welcome to our adventure of converting a commercial transporter van into a little camper. It's a 75 kilowatts, 102 brake horsepower, 2-liter TDI VW transporter, long wheelbase. We're going to attempt to convert into a camper. We always dreamed about owning a camper van, and we like going away and seeing new sights and just enjoy life a little bit, as we all do. We had a couple of criteria when we were choosing a van. It had to be a long wheelbase, obviously, for a little bit of room, and we wanted an air conditioning as well. So you don't really want to be driving around all day with no air conditioning, especially as we do have 2 young kids, and we want them to be comfortable. If we're happy, we're going to be happy. And obviously it had to be mechanically sound as well. We started off removing the bulkhead and the ply panels. Here, as you can see, my son is helping me. He even brought a couple of his friends, and everybody was kind of having fun on a hot summer day. So it's just was loads of fun, and we did enjoy it. For the day, this is what all the camper van's all about. Enjoying your life and having a little bit of fun. Removing the ply panels and the headliner was a pretty straightforward job. I did struggle a little bit with the floor because some of the screws were corroded, and eventually I did take them out and took the floor out. So with a little bit of determination and luck, it went well. And now it's a cleaning time. now maybe it's the best time to address all the small rust issues you have in your van. My van being a second-hand vehicle and being a commercial vehicle, it's not perfect. It had a little bit of rust here and there on the floor, so I've used rust removal gel, a little bit of sandpaper, white spirit and hammerite paint, and it worked the treat, so it was okay at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you at the next one. Cheers!